Today I'm gonna be flipping this $200 account. Okay, so the pair which I'm gonna trade is GBP Japanese. Okay, so guys, and my strategy which I'm gonna use is my sniper entry technique. Okay, so guys, here the market have reacted to this level the first time, so it reacted here the second time, and here's the third time. So, and currently the market is on the level right now. Current time frame is on hour 4 time frame, so we switch to 1 hour's time frame to see it clearer. Okay, so on 1 hour's time frame we see the way it have reacted to the level, it bounced back, so and it's inside the level right now. So, and we can see it reacting and starting to go back right now. So let's switch to the M15 time frame, we will see it clearer. Okay, so guys, here is it on the M15 time frame. So we are entering here on this level here. So, and market is currently on the level. Okay, so what we are going to do now is to enter our buys. So guys, we have entered two position with 1.2 lot size right now. Okay, so two position with 1.2 lot size. So when the market react this second time again and start going up, so I might add more position at this level here, so that I'll be able to take this account to somewhere. Okay, so guys, what we are going to do, let's go and then come back in some times and let's see what's going to happen. Okay, so guys, now my account is running 300 USD right now, so my profit running over 150 USD. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add more position. Okay, so I've added one more position right now. So okay, so guys, I've stacked in more position, so I will hold these positions and let's see what's going to happen. So guys, here is the second confirmation on this zone, so I've confirmed it that it's going to go up now. So let's watch and see what's going to happen.
A few moments later.
So guys, our trade is now running 580 equity right now, so I'm going to stack in more positions. Okay, so guys, I got like 84 US dollars on this account this morning, so I added more money to it and then completed the 200. So my plan for this account is to take it to 1000 US dollar. Okay, so guys, let's go guys. So guys, I think before the market gets to this nearest resistance here on the M15 time frame, I should be able to flip this account to 1k already. Okay, so I should be able to flip this account to 1k already by then. Okay, so guys, currently running 800 US dollar.
A few minutes later.
So guys, our trade has almost hit our target now of 1k USD. Okay, so running 1061 USD right now. Okay, from $200 to 1100 USD right now. So closing all my trades now. Okay, closing all my trades now. So guys, $1,000 was our target, but right now I closed with $1,200 profit because the market was running to our direction so fast. Okay, so market was going to our direction so fast. So even before closing it, I closed with $1,200 right now. Okay, so look at it. So I told you I got 84 USD on my account this morning, so I added some money, 113.4. So I'm currently running and made profit of 1,000 US dollars. Okay, so guys, what I want to tell you guys now is that it doesn't matter the amount of capital which you use to trade. It is the skill that you have that really matters. Okay, so guys, it is the skill which you have that matters in forex trading. So capital doesn't matter so much. Okay, so guys, I used to trade $1,000 of account. Like, I use small money, grow it, and then I trade with it. So that's what I do. So seeing me trading with this $1,200 now, meaning I grew it from $200 and it is currently running, and it is currently $1,200. So I take more trades, take it to 5k, 10k, 20k. So that's how we do it. Okay, so any amount of capital which you have, it doesn't matter. It is your skill which you have that matters. Okay, so guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to smash like button. Okay, so make sure to smash like button so that other traders in the world can see it also. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe. Okay, make sure to subscribe, because what we do here, we make trading more easy for people. We share knowledge. Okay, we share knowledge about forex trading. Okay, so that's what we do here. Okay, so guys, and if you want to get the skill, check on my channel. Okay, so the skill is there for you. Okay, so I give you the skill for free. Okay, thanks.